Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up, a quick video on how to prune your lupins when they get near to finishing flowering. What I like to do is just the last few inches, don't let them set seed. I know you're losing that little bit of flower there, but what I tend to do is just nip them out here, and then this just leaves these beautiful little side shoots, so you basically get a second flush. You can see there, that's one that broke earlier, and that's coming through nicely. So I'll just get me a tripod in a minute. It's an absolute gorgeous day today. It's been raining for several days this week, but I have to get some nice sunshine today. It should be warm. So let's get that in focus if I can. You can see that. So like that. Now that's it. All I tend to do is nip them out just there. Nice clean cut, that's what you want. Tidies them up and gives you a second flush of flowers. They're not as big as the first flush, but if you don't want to collect seeds, it's fine. You can leave the second lot to collect seeds. But yeah, you also get powdery mildew on these. These are what I do spray these a couple of times a year, otherwise you end up absolutely covered in powdery mildew. And I treat them for slugs and snails. So yeah, that's just pruning back your lupins just to get a second flush of flowers. So up around here. Also give them regular feed at least once a week with a high potash feed me. That helps them out as well. See all the energy they put in there. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, everybody, and keep safe. Thank you. Bye.